Does your home have a broken sewer or water line? Has a sewer or water line inspection indicated clogged lines? Broken water and sewer lines can be a major problem for property owners. If your home or commercial building has water or sewer line problems, call Henco Plumbing Services at 360-773-8039. Check out this video of our team on the job. The Henco plumbing team replaced a broken sewer line for a homeowner in Vancouver, Washington. This job took plenty of equipment and labor, but our guys did the job just right for our client. If your sewer or water line needs replacement, we can do the same for you. Yes, we do work in the rain. We're licensed and insured with plenty of experience. We'll give you a no-obligation estimate, and we guarantee our workmanship. Our customers are always happy with our work. We have the reviews to prove it. So contact us for large and small plumbing projects. Henco Plumbing at 360-773-8039. Our website is www.hencoplumbing.com.